Alright guys, what I got here is a Curado 300E, the old school classic right here. I'm gonna replace the carbon drags on these. So, and I thought I'll do a little bit of a basic cleaning on it. This rail handle is from Highton. Is it? Yep. Now, if you haven't done this before, I suggest you pieces in order. That way you know how to put it back together. I've taken this reel apart quite a few times, so I'm pretty familiar with it. So there's 4 screws, and there's 2 that are the same size, and then there's this one that's really skinny, and I believe these 2 are the same, and this one's a little longer. So I normally just take it off, if the faceplate together like this. My son, give me that. Where'd you get that from? This is how it looks like. It's not too terrible. Definitely could use a little bit of cleaning off, but I'll take this off. That way you don't drop them and lose them. Okay. I'm gonna clean that all off, and I'm gonna use the Shimano grease. Focus. Okay, get that off. Look at the carbon drags on this. There's like nothing on it left. Look at that. Nothing. It's like completely flat. Take that off. Take that off. Take that off. Alright. I'm gonna take this off. Yeah. This is long overdue. And that's our new ones. Alright, let's start cleaning. It's gonna be alright, so I'm using alcohol to clean off the old grease. I'm not gonna do a real deep clean. I'm just gonna brush this off. Get all the off. It's not too likely. And these, I'll drop it right into the alcohol. These aren't too bad. There you go. I need to get an air can. I'll just grab any toothbrush to clean these off. Alright, it's all cleaned up. Alright, so what I do is I'll take some of this, I'll put it there. That should be more than enough. I'll close this up here. That way, I'm gonna brush it all over the grill. Make sure it sits flush into that. And so I like to put a little grease on this guy. Not a whole lot, just a little on this little shaft there. Alright, time for the new carbon drags. And I'll do this. Not a whole lot, just a little bit. Okay, this goes next. This should line up with that. If you look closely, I'm not sure if you could get that, but it should line up perfectly. You shouldn't have to force anything in. If you are, then you're doing it wrong. Okay, there you go. Alright, then here I like to throw the springs in. I'm gonna throw grease on this carbon drag here. Just too much. You just want to tap a little bit of grease on there. You want a little bit of slip, but not too much. So it kind of help. All right. Yeah. A little too much there. Now, this part, you see how the washer, there's a lip here. Make sure this is on top. So make sure you got it on the right orientation, otherwise you're gonna have to redo it. Alright, and then once you get that, I like to throw grease on the main gear. Just kind of work that all the way around the gear. And throw the cover. Oh yeah, there's a sleeve here. You gotta make sure it goes in that groove. Yeah, the only way to do it is you put it on first. And I like to keep this thing dry. No grease. Because you don't want this thing slipping. Yeah, that's in. So once you got that, the cover on. There's a washer that I didn't take off. I just let it. I just left it on the cover. Just tighten all this up. Once you got that, I'm done. I didn't take out the bearings to clean off, which I should have did, but drop 1 drop of oil in there. Close that back up. All right, so this, you want to make sure that they're facing each other. I think these are definitely due for replacement too. Yeah, see how they're facing each other now? Yeah, they look a little bit. Yeah, there you go. I'm gonna drag that. Screw that down, put the spring in. Basically just do the reverse order. And this little pin here, make sure you don't lose it. That's your clicker for your drag. This thing always pops out. It's really tiny, so you don't lose it. Alright, that in. So this thing comes with this little sleeve that goes over this, because this is actually it's for both actually. This is for the 8x5 millimeter reels too. The sleeve is for the 7x4. And oh man, there you go. Yep, that's it. I'll clean this off here. It's a lot of gunk here. Grease here. Just like that. Okay. There you go. Let's see the free spool on this guy. Yep, I think it's solid, man. Yep, and that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Can't wait to use it now.